While you're watching this video, you will see I do a simple rust repair. I know it won't be a permanent fix. The customer is aware that it should be taken to a body shop to have it repaired correctly. This is a solution to cosmetically make it look better. I hope you enjoy this DIY repair video. Here I am grinding the rust with a stripping wheel. You will want to get the rust as clean as possible. I will put a link in the description for all the materials I used. The metal was bent here, so I hammered it back a bit. I used drywall mesh tape in the hole so the fiberglass Bondo had something to adhere to. Then I sanded it down with 80 grit on a DeWalt sander. I then hand sanded the rest with 80 grit so I could put a lightweight body filler in. Hey, while you're watching, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this one. All right, here I am sanding this body filler with 220 grit sandpaper. Again, hand sanding to finish it off. Scuff the panel with a red Scotch Bright pad. Next, I used Spray Max white primer. I put 3 coats on. I am wet sanding the primer with an 800 grit sanding sponge. Remember, all the products I use will be in the description below. Here, I am using a tack cloth. Finish it off with paint and clear coat.